Hi there, folks. Elaine here with WTI. Raise your hand if just the thought of germs on your toothbrush makes you feel nauseous. Well, not with my new StarWin UV toothbrush dryer holder. It calms my germophobic mind. And I love that it's nice and compact in my small bathroom. It doesn't stand out like an appliance, and it looks so pretty. It has 3 settings, UV alone and 2 drying times. And the fan is pretty quiet too. Listen to it. Starwin gave you 2 holders and easy user instructions. And I'm seriously happy not to put more holes in my walls. The installation was peel and stick, so easy peasy. Now I'm happy to have a nice designated beautiful holder for our toothbrushes that dries and most importantly sterilizes. And that is just our point of view.